Look around you. Cassava, maize, beans. Have you ever wondered what makes them all plants? Today we explore Kingdom Plantae and its three main groups. Plantae are multicellular eukaryotes. They have cellulose cell walls and chlorophyll, which traps sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. They are the producers of life. All plants share 5 key features. They make their own food, have cellulose walls, contain chloroplasts, alternate between 2 life stages, and stay rooted in one place. Flowering plants split into 2 groups. Monocots like maize have 1 seed leaf. Dicots like beans have 2 seed leaves. Count the cotyledons to tell them apart. Let's examine maize, a monocot. Its leaves have parallel veins. Roots are fibrous, vascular bundles are scattered, and flower parts come in threes, like 3 petals. Now compare to a bean, a dicot. Leaves have net-like veins. A strong taproot grows down. Vascular bundles form a ring, and flowers have parts in 4s or 5s. Watch a bean's life cycle. The seed germinates, grows into a seedling, then matures and flowers. Pollination forms pods full of new seeds, completing the cycle. Leguminous plants like groundnuts and beans are special. Their roots have nodules containing rhizobium bacteria that fix nitrogen from air, enriching the soil naturally. Many students get this wrong. Monocot doesn't mean 1 leaf on the plant, it means 1 cotyledon, the seed leaf inside the seed. Always count cotyledons, not adult leaves. Remember this: mono means 1 cotyledon, di means 2 cotyledons, and legumes are nitrogen heroes. Maize is mono, beans are di. Groundnuts fix nitrogen. Great job learning about Plantae. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more biology lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to explore your full-form lower 6th syllabus.